once again, my name is Victor Digomo here, and we are still looking at variation. And the aspect we want to look at is joint variation. We have a question here that says x varies directly as the product of u and v, and inversely as their sum. It says if x is equals to 3 when u equals to 3 and v equals to 1, it says what is the value of x if u is equals to 3 and v is equals to 3. So we are talking about joint variation here, and the first part of it says that x varies directly as the product of u and v. X, so we have x varies as the product of u and v, so x varies directly as uv, okay, which you can write as x is equals to uvk, where k we know is the constant of proportionality. So, and then they also said that same x varies inversely as their sum, so this x also varies as 1 over u plus v. Okay, so we can write it as x is equals to 1 k now, k over u plus v. So if you look at these two expressions, you can write them jointly as x is equals to uvk over u plus v. Okay, so this is how we can mathematically express this. Okay, so they now gave us some information here that we need to make a substitution. Say when x is 3, then we have u being 3, so we will have the equals to u 3 times v being 1, then times k over then u, which is 3 plus 1. Okay, so if this is 4, if I cross multiply, I'm going to have 3 times 4 equals to 3 times k, which is 3k here. So obviously this is 12 equals to 3k. If you divide both sides by 3, you have k equals to 4. So, and then back to this mathematical expression, we can now express this as x is equals to 4 uv over u plus v. Okay, so this is how we can mathematically express it. The next question, the second part of the question says, what is the value of x when u is equals to 3 and v is equals to 3? So x will simply be now 4 times 3 times 3 all over 3 plus 3, and x will be equals to, and x will be, this is 9 times 4, which is 36, over 3 plus 3, which is 6. So x is equals to 6. So this is a typical JAMB question on variation. All right, I believe this question I gave here now will add knowledge to us. Please, if what we are doing is helping you, give us a handshake just by clicking the subscription button, sharing to your friends, and liking what we are doing. And by so doing, you are encouraging us to do more.